Hey guys, in today's video, I just want to show you how to repair a game and verify the game files in the EA app. If your game keeps crashing or something is not loading right, or if you're having any other types of issues, verifying your game files and repairing them is probably the best way to fix something. And luckily in the EA app, it's very simple to do that, so let's just get started. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your EA app open and you're logged into it, and then from here you want to go and click on My Collection. This is going to take you to all the games you have, and this is where we're going to repair our game from. And from here it's very simple. You just want to hover your mouse over a game that you have downloaded and click on those three dots in the corner, and then you just want to hit on repair. So for example, I'm going to repair Battlefield 1 and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I clicked on repair, and as you can see it is repairing my game in the bottom corner here. This process may take quite a while depending on how big your game size is. If I decide for some reason I want to stop repairing it, I just have to hit this X here in the bottom corner. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.